Area of similar shapes. We already know that if two shapes are similar, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. In this video, you will learn how to use the relationship between sides and areas of similar shapes to find the missing values. Let's start it. Look at these squares. Let's find the scale factor between them. The length of the larger square are 2 times longer than the smaller square. The scale factor is 2. Now we will do the same to these triangles. Let's find the scale factor between them. The length of the larger triangle are 3 times longer than the smaller triangle. The scale factor is 3. So far there is nothing new, but let's calculate the square areas in the triangle areas. The area of the larger square is 100 centimeters squared. The area of the smaller square is 25 centimeters squared. The ratio of the areas of these squares is 4. It means that the area of the larger square is 4 times larger than the area of the smaller square. The area of the smaller triangle is square root of 3 centimeters squared. The area of the larger triangle is 9 times square root of 3. The ratio of the areas of these triangles is 9. It means that the area of the larger triangle is 9 times larger than the area of the smaller triangle. The ratio of the areas of similar shapes is called scale factor of areas. And we can see that if the scale factor of lengths is 2, then the scale factor of areas is 4. This is the length scale factor squared. If the scale factor of length is 3, then the scale factor of areas is 9. This is the length scale factor squared. So it's always true. If the length scale factor is k, the area scale factor is k squared. In other words, the area scale factor is the length scale factor squared. Let's see how it works. For each of the following similar shapes, calculate. Area of a small figure. Since the triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So we can find the length scale factor. The area scale factor is the ratio of the areas of similar shapes. Let's solve it for a small area. It's done. Pay attention in the next example. Calculate the x value. Area scale factor is the ratio of the areas. Let's use it to find the scale factor of length. Now let's find the x value. The next example is a question from past IGCSE paper. You should try to solve it by yourself and then check the full resolution. If you enjoyed the content of this video, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask or suggest anything. I will be grateful.